Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable notification setting on Meesho application using your Android or iOS device. If you want to stay updated with Meesho notifications on your mobile device, then first of all, open the Meesho app and make sure that you're logged in. And once you're in, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you're inside this profile section, you will see an Enable Notifications tab. If you haven't enabled notification yet for the app, simply toggle on the button right next to Enable Notification. This will take you to your device's notification tab where it has selected Meesho already. Now click on Notification and toggle on the button right next to Allow Notifications. Now, soon after you do that, you should now start receiving notifications from the Meesho app. So that's how it's super easily done. Now you'll never miss important updates about the application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.